What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into the video, I'd like to request every single person to please like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. We need, the bell icon on so everyone sees the videos. Shout out everyone who watches every video, man. Come on, the support, it means a lot. I see a few people on every video. Shout out every single one of you. Hopefully I can do a little giveaway or something for some of you lot, sort something out. But for now, mission is road to 3,000 subscribers. And yeah, let's just get into this video, people. Tracksuit season is upon us. I'm in a tracksuit right now, colder weathers. I'm not sure of the government name of this tracksuit, so don't attack me. I'll probably leave a link in the description and stuff. What I've actually noticed is they have the green on one and red on the other. I think they put green on bottoms and red on hoodies. I'm not too sure, but I think that's it, I've just actually noticed that. I'm not sure if it's 100% correct, but yeah. So this color, the reason I chose this is I've got similar tracksuits to this and it's a similar color. It is a really nice grey. It reminds me kind of the CP company's Griffin grey. So very similar, really nice color. Like, pair it with some nice black Air Max, you're good to go. This is actually my first ever pair of joggers that have cargo pockets. Some bit of string there, so it's got cargo pockets on this one. I've actually never had any Nike joggers with cargo pockets before. I don't know how I've managed to not, for the longest amount of time, not get any joggers with the cargo pockets. Let's just show the front side. So we got cargo pocket with 20/21, so 20/21 probably could be the year it was made or whatever. It's got a little vault, on the detailing, and then here we've got another cargo pocket. This one is plain, it doesn't have any writing on it. And then we've got a black swoosh, but it's like one of those thunderbolt swooshes. No zip pockets, unfortunately, but we move. And then we've got the cuff, the good old cuff on the bottom. On the back, I believe they're just plain, just plain. And then we've got the hoodie with the same swoosh, so that thunderbolt swoosh. And yeah, so the hoodie is quite plain, it's got nothing apart from that to match the pocket. 20/21 in the black, and then the kind of vault green. And then on the other side, a bit plain and stuff. But on the back, if you have a look, it's got the big swoosh. I did have a older season one, like a few years ago. I bought one similar grey to this, grey and like dark grey, super nice, with the white detailing, very nice. I still wear that. That's like one of my favorite tracksuits. So this one's kind of, the newer model, which I don't prefer over that one, but definitely this one for me is still nice, but the other one is way better. Very simple, just good for a quick off day vibes. Nothing too fancy, or nothing fancy at all, I should say. Just a standard Nike tracksuit, decent material, keep you warm. Got that fleecy interior there. Not really fleecy, but But yeah, people, man, let me know what you think of this. I didn't want to waste anyone's time with just talking too much about the tracksuit. Just wanted to show everyone what the tracksuit looks like, and that's pretty much it. Let me know if you like it. Tell me if you hate it. Tell me if you rate it. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell icon. Make sure you tell your friends to subscribe. Let's get all these followers up, subscribers up, and all that good stuff. But yeah, people, that's it from me for today. Take care.